Hi, quick video about this blender that we picked up off eBay. It's the Geepas blender. Geepas, very lightweight plastic. We've used it for about 3 months now, and it comes with a plastic jug which does lock in place. That's the plastic jug there. You can see it comes with the normal standard lid. It's a 1.5 liter jug, which is 1500 milliliters. The jug does crush. If you turn that top section out, you can throw ice in there, and it does do that as well. Overall, we haven't been happy with this blender because it's too cheaply made. So it's a 400-watt motor. If you look in the bottom, you can actually see the wires that make up the motor. The one we had before this was from a Lidl store, and that performed very well. The main downside of this Geepas blender, it's way too loud. The motor is just, it's like an industrial one of those ones. Let me show you what it's, how loud it is. It's just too loud. Even in the kitchen it echoes and it goes everywhere, and I wouldn't buy it again. It was cheap. I think we paid like £20 for it or something. But yes, I would not recommend it. And let me bring up the listing so I can show it to you, so you know exactly which one it is that I purchased. Geepas blender, because it looks really fancy in the advert, but it's not. It's called a 2-in-1 blender. Oh, it wasn't £20, it was £30. Let me see if I can bring the display capture. Might be wide. Okay, there we go. So that's the listing there. And it comes as a Geepas food processor, blender, chopper, mixer, coffee, spices, grinder, smoothie maker. So it actually comes with 2 pots, which I could probably show you there. So it comes with that little extra grinder piece there, but it's just way too loud. Plastic jug, 400-watt motor, stainless steel blade, and yeah, it's just a bit of a disappointment. I think it's a very cheaply made item, and the volume on it is just terrible, to the point that we're just gonna buy another one because it's way too loud. That is the Geepas blender. Not much tech in it, but that is if you're looking for juicing and grinding of spices or nuts or anything like that. So I'm hoping this quick little review lets you know what the Geepas eBay Amazon blender is like.